Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop. Hey, another opportunity. I'm going to be smoking some fish, so I figured I might as well make a video of it. So I got it set up. I got it the little Chief, Big Chief smoker, sitting on some 4x4s off this plastic table so it doesn't melt it. I don't think it will, but either way. Pan to put the chips in, and cord to hook it up to. I got an extension cord. So I'm going to be prepping the fish, so I'll take this on inside and start recording this video. Alright, so this is the recipe, and up here it says 5 to 7 pounds of fish. You make up this brine, and so we got let's see, a half gallon of water, half cup of sugar, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, got this off the internet, so we're gonna try it out. I want to go any higher than there for 4 liters, so halfway is 2 liters. Okay, got sugar. We want says half cup of sugar. I like how they put the handle on the wrong side for people trying to pour right-handed. So half cup sugar. Yep, that's about right. Pour that in. Stir that up. Okay, half cup of brown sugar. All right. Scissors. All right, half cup of brown sugar. I have to open this up some more. It's a little clumped together. Try that. Would be better if it was in a container already. Alright, take some of this out. Probably doesn't matter, but yeah, that's better. Alright, so pour that in. Brown sugar. Okay, what's next? Okay, got the water, sugar, brown sugar, salt. Okay. And how much salt we putting in? Half cup of salt. Wow, okay. All right. Don't want to overdo it on the salt. Okay. Okay. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. All right. Garlic powder. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can get that in there. Nah. Maybe that one? No. I don't know. Let's do it let's do it this way. 2 tablespoons. All right. Okay, there's 1. 2. All right. There's 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. What's next? Chili powder. There we go. And this, we want 2 tablespoons of it too. There's 1. Two. All right. Looks like I overdid it. Oh well. 1, 2, 3. This should say TBSP, and I got the TSP. So it's either too much or too little, whatever. If it comes out really good, might keep it that way. It's definitely brown looking. Okay, then so after that, all fish in the brine, which I'm not going to do till tomorrow. Fridge for 8 hours. Remove, rinse, cold water, pat dry. So first of all, I'm just going to put this in the fridge, so it's nice and cool. Of course, I'm going to freeze what I'm not going to eat right away. Got to get a beer out for this, that's for sure. And I told the neighbor I'd give him some. Ain't the prettiest, that's for sure, but sure does taste good. Oh boy. I was wondering if 8 hours would be like too much, but with all the 5 pounds of meat in here, because I weighed it, actually was just right. This one here is coconut, but I tell you, the best thing I've tasted so far out of all this was the cod, and I didn't know if it would come out very good at all. Anyway, there we go. What about that, huh? Oh, yeah, I got some smoked stuff. All right.